Have you ever wondered if you were capable of installing luxury vinyl, stone, plastic, composite flooring in your home just like the pros? For over 300,000 years, the story of the modern human mind and the opposable thumb has been a story of innovation in the face of adversity. Setting us apart from the great apes is our use of toolmanship. The first step towards your rite of passage into adulthood is cleaning the floors and opening a box. Be careful, you should really check yourself before you wreck yourself. That blade is sharp. Next, position the plank in the corner of the room. Practicing good boundaries is important in modern day society. That's why we use spacers to keep the floor from experiencing unnecessary drama. As you make your way down the wall, plank by plank, you will reach your first obstacle. You need to search deep inside yourself, find inner strength, and believe that you can and will conquer this demon. Turning the plank 180 degrees from its desired installation position, use a pencil to mark off the unnecessary burden of a full plank. Using a chop saw for short lengths of plank removal, carefully cut into the wood. Pro tip, you can lift the wood into the saw to complete the cut, depending on the saw, and depending on your competence and spatial awareness. Now that you have completed your first row, make sure to properly tighten the seams using the tapping block, pull bar, and rubber mallet. While you should feel proud of your accomplishment, it's important to keep in mind that it is the totality of your actions in life that determine your worth in the eyes of the gods. Get back to work and make sure to start your second row at a staggered position from your first row. Flip your plank 180 degrees so the plank tongues are inferring desire and mark off the unneeded plank. Using your razor blade and a little taekwondo, separate the board and break the plank, Kimosabi. Bam! Slice. Now that's action. The key to success in life is finding what works, building good habits, and repeating the process. Now that you are armed with the tools and knowledge necessary, absolutely nothing can stop you. You are a beacon of greatness and accomplishment in a dark and scary world of home improvement and DIY projects. Take pride in yourself and embrace your new alter ego. You are Vinyl Installation Person, the hero you've always wanted to be. Yes, you can walk proudly through your local downtown with your shoulders wide, your head high, and your chin up. Nothing can defeat you, Vinyl Installation Person. You will measure twice, cut once, and stand proudly in your socks on the great vinyl monument which lays in a regal flatness for future generations to come. How long is this video? Okay. Yeah. Got it. You want more? More of the... Yeah, no. That's just, I don't feel like I'm getting paid enough for this. It's really hot. I also promised sandwiches. And I haven't seen... okay. Here we go. Oh no, what's this? Your first nemesis, a round cut. Luckily for you, a grinder works perfectly against this foe. Simply cut around the inviting toilet hole, making sure to press the planks together and use your tapping block and pull bar to keep the planks tightly together. It's important to maintain a watertight seal in areas like the bathroom, kitchen, and Prohibition-era behind the bookshelf speakeasy man cave and mantivity room. Yes, armed with a straight edge, a pencil, and a thirst for perfection, nothing can stand in the way of Vinyl Installation Person. Let's just look at him go for a while. Daddy needs a break. Be sure to visit our website at pacificwestflooring.com for a more thorough guide to vinyl floor installation, located in our blog section.